Imagine the camera rolling in on a gloss black Audi Q8 e-tron, the lights catching those clean, sculpted panels. You smile and say, today we're getting under the skin of Audi's electric flagship SUV, the Q8 e-tron, and I'll walk you through what makes it tick, what's new for the 2026 model, and whether it's worth your time and money. Start with the design. The Q8 e-tron keeps Audi's modern muscular style. It has a wide, mostly closed grille for aerodynamics, sharp LED lighting, and a coupe-like roofline that gives it a bold but elegant stance. The wheel arches are pronounced and every surface feels intentional. Up close, you'll notice small functional touches, active aero flaps and flush door handles that help reduce drag. Inside, the cabin feels pure Audi. Soft materials, a clean dashboard with 2 integrated touchscreens, and a fully digital driver's cluster. The seating is spacious, especially in the rear, thanks to the flat battery floor. It's luxurious but practical, premium without feeling showy. Underneath, the Q8 e-tron gets a large battery pack, around 114 kWh, with about 106 kWh usable. That gives a real-world range of roughly 500 to 580 kilometers depending on the version and driving conditions. Charging is much faster than before. High-speed DC charging can bring it from 10% to 80% in around 30 minutes, perfect for road trips when you stop for a quick coffee. Home charging overnight is simple with a wall box setup. Performance-wise, it's powered by Audi's dual-motor quattro system, giving instant torque to all 4 wheels. Depending on the trim, power output varies, but expect 0-100 km range in about 5.5 to 6 seconds. It's smooth, quiet, and confident, not a sports car, but definitely quick for a luxury SUV. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts for comfort or sportiness, soaking up rough roads while staying stable through corners. Safety and tech are top-notch. It comes loaded with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, 360-degree cameras, parking sensors, and emergency braking. There's also an intelligent EV route planner that includes charging stops and adjusts your route based on battery percentage. The system learns your driving habits and even preconditions the battery for fast charging. Inside, the driving experience feels calm and futuristic. The car is almost silent, with double-glazed windows keeping out noise. The virtual cockpit display is crisp and customizable, showing maps, battery range, or performance stats. The infotainment system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with built-in navigation that optimizes routes for charging. Everything feels premium and well thought out. In daily use, the Q8 e-tron's practicality shines. The air suspension makes it easy to get in and out. The boot is large and well-shaped, and rear passengers have great legroom. You can even adjust the suspension height for loading or off-road use. On ownership costs, yes, it's a luxury SUV, so the price tag is high. But running costs are much lower than a petrol model. Fewer moving parts mean less maintenance, and charging at home costs much less than refueling. Audi also offers a strong warranty on the battery and drivetrain for peace of mind. Of course, it's not perfect. It's heavy, and while quick, it's not as playful as some rivals like the BMW iX or Tesla Model X. The infotainment system can feel a bit complex at first, and top trims can get expensive once you start adding options. But overall, the 2026 Audi Q8 e-tron is a refined, capable, and luxurious electric SUV that delivers real range, comfort, and advanced technology in a beautifully built package. It's for those who want a quiet, confident EV that feels premium every time you drive it. End the review by saying, if you're looking for an electric SUV that balances comfort, performance, and range, the Audi Q8 e-tron might just be the perfect fit. Take it for a test drive and feel the future of luxury electric driving for yourself.